Hi, good morning everyone. This is we're doing today Golf 2019 is 1.6, and this one is the gearbox is on there is DQ381. Customer is complaining when the car is go hot is going into the second gear. If you can see is D2, neutral, reverse and D2. It should be go as the D1. I will give you the other movie and then you can see when we fix after that it's gonna be like that. So as you can see here, D1 and D2. So this is the common problem of this one. So if you have the problem of this, first the common problem of this one is a pressure sensor, and this is the code showing the pressure sensor. One signal malfunction, P173500, and sometime is saying P173600 clutch 2. So this is the problem. Have the problem in the car, and the car is not going into the 1-3-5 gear and is going direct into 2. So if you have the problem like that, you can see the next video we attach on there. We explain everything, so you can come to us and then we can solve your issue. We do same problem, same DQ381 gearboxes in Tiguan and e-tron and Skoda Octavia as well. So this is a common problem. Engine light is come on and the reason of this. So we can solve your issue. You can see my other video and then you can, my phone number and everything is inside. Thanks.